And so you can define the variants and then you can launch them without actually having to do any code changes. The way that you do that is you say, I'm going to define, let's say, 20 different variants of my AI configuration. And I'm going to test out which ones work best for users. So I might try different models, I might try different prompts, I might try different configurations. Then I get to see in the portal how those are performing on my core metrics, and I can scale up the ones that work. And a core thing that the difference in development flow there is to do those experiments before, you'd actually have to push code changes. So you'd have to, for example, say, okay, for this next sprint, we're going to define these new experiments. And at the end of the sprint, we're going to launch them. We realized that we need to be able to do it without doing deployments or without doing code changes. And so we kind of abstracted out the experiments from that. And so you can define the variants and then you can launch them without actually having to do any code changes. And so overall, it's basically you just download the SDK, you launch it, you watch the portal, and then you start running experiments. And it should be very simple across all those steps.